The Wireless Egg Node, by ORKA Food Technology. Unpacking. Open the carrying case. Inside you will find a tablet, documentation, a stylus pen, and a USB antenna. Connect the USB antenna to the tablet and turn on the tablet. There are 2 eggs, one is a spare empty shell, in case the plastic case gets broken. And this one is the wireless egg node. Locate the ORKA node controller icon and double-click it to launch the program. You will see that the egg is already registered in the system and ready to use. Open the egg and locate the red on-off button. Click it and the egg will begin to blink green. Put the lid back on and screw it tightly. The egg is now ready for use.